Since the dawn of the automobile, we have dreamt of taking to the skies. The idea of flying cars has fascinated us for generations, capturing our imaginations and inspiring countless stories and movies. Imagine soaring above traffic jams, no more red lights, just open air and limitless possibilities. No more being stuck in gridlock, wasting precious time. This dream, once confined to science fiction, is rapidly becoming our reality. Engineers and innovators around the world are working tirelessly to make this vision come true. We are on the verge of a transportation revolution with flying cars and bikes. These vehicles promise to transform our cities and the way we live, making travel faster and more efficient. Get ready, because the future of transportation is about to take off. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.
Companies like Terrafugia, Aeromobile and Palvi are leading the charge. They are developing electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, vehicles. These vehicles combine the convenience of a car with the freedom of flight. Imagine driving to the airport, extending your wings and taking off right from the runway. Companies are working tirelessly to make this a reality.
A company called Palvi has achieved a remarkable feat. Their vehicle, the Palvi Liberty, has received regulatory approval for both road and air use. This is a game changer. This means the Liberty can legally drive on roads like a car. It can also take to the skies like a gyrocopter.
Section 4, the future, is just around the corner. Experts predict that flying cars will be commercially available between 2028 and 2030. Imagine a world where you can fly to work, avoiding all the traffic. Think about the convenience of traveling between cities without the hassle of airports. This is the future that awaits us.
Section 5, flying bikes, a new era of personal aviation. But wait, there's more. The concept of personal aviation is no longer a distant dream. It's becoming a reality right before our eyes. The future of transportation isn't just about flying cars. Companies like Jetson and Urban Aeronautics are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They are developing personal flying vehicles we call flying bikes. These bikes are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to the general public. These vehicles offer an exhilarating way to experience flight. Imagine soaring over mountains and valleys, seeing the world from a bird's-eye view. Imagine the freedom of zipping through the air, navigating through the skies with ease and precision. Feeling the wind in your hair. The future of personal transportation is here, and it's incredibly exciting.
Section 6, Jetson ONE, your personal flying machine. The Jetson ONE is a prime example of this exciting technology. It's a single-seat, eVTOL vehicle that looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. It's easy to fly, and you don't need a pilot's license. The best part, it could be available as early as 2025. Section 7, transforming transportation, transforming lives. Flying cars and bikes are not just about convenience. They represent a significant leap in how we think about mobility. They have the potential to revolutionize our lives by offering new levels of freedom and flexibility. Imagine a world where travel time is significantly reduced and traffic congestion becomes a thing of the past. This technology can also provide faster emergency response times, potentially saving countless lives. From daily commutes to emergency situations, flying vehicles will change how we live, work, and explore the world around us. The future of transportation is here, and it's looking up. Embrace the change and get ready for a new era of mobility.